What if the secret to protecting your body from cancer isn't in a lab or a pill, but sitting quietly in your plate right now? Imagine if a simple food you eat every day could help your body fight off deadly cells before they even have a chance to spread. Sounds unbelievable, right? But science is revealing that nature has its own arsenal of cancer-fighting weapons, and you might be missing out on them. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but here's the good news. What you eat can make a huge difference. Research shows that certain foods don't just nourish your body, they can actively help your cells defend against damage, slow tumor growth, and even reduce inflammation that fuels cancer development. So in this video, we are going to uncover 10 powerful foods backed by science that would help your body stay one step ahead in the fight against cancer. These are not miracle cures, but when included in a balanced diet, they can give your body tools to protect itself. 1. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage are part of the cruciferous family, a group of vegetables famous for their natural cancer-fighting compounds. The superstar here is sulforaphane, a powerful phytochemical that gives these veggies their unique defense abilities. Now, studies show that sulforaphane reduces oxidative stress. It neutralizes harmful free radicals that can damage your cell's DNA, a key trigger for cancer development. Stimulates detoxifying enzymes. Your liver produces enzymes that remove toxins from the body, and sulforaphane helps switch these enzymes on. Slows cancer cell growth. Lab research has found that sulforaphane can actually signal damaged cells to stop multiplying, especially in breast, prostate, and colon cancer. The best way to enjoy cruciferous vegetables is slightly steaming them for 3 to 5 minutes. This preserves sulforaphane, while overcooking can destroy these beneficial compounds. For an extra boost, try chopping your broccoli and letting it sit for 40 minutes before cooking. This allows sulforaphane to fully develop. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are more than just salad topping. They are a lycopene powerhouse. Lycopene is carotenoid, the same type of antioxidant that gives tomatoes their bright red color. Research has found that lycopene can lower the risks of cancer such as prostate, lung, and stomach by protecting cells from DNA damage. Reduce inflammation, which is linked to tumor development. Enhance cell communication, helping healthy cells to signal to one another to stay healthy and fight abnormal growth. Cooking tomatoes actually makes lycopene more available to your body. Try a tomato sauce or roasted tomatoes with a drizzle of olive oil. The fat improves absorption significantly. Fresh sun-ripened tomatoes are great too, but don't underestimate the power of a home-cooked tomato dish. 3. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a natural cancer fighter. Its key compound, allicin, is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been studied extensively for its cancer-preventing properties. It protects DNA from damage, which is essential because damaged DNA can lead to mutation that triggers cancer. It reduces tumor growth by signaling abnormal cells to stop multiplying. It also boosts immune system, helping your body naturally detect and destroy harmful cells before they cause problems. To maximize garlic's benefits, crush or chop it and let it rest for about 10 minutes before cooking. This allows allicin to fully activate. Raw garlic is the most potent, but adding it to cooked dishes still provides strong and protective effects. 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries are not just delicious, they are like tiny shields for your cells. They are loaded with polyphenols, anthocyanins, and other antioxidants which help neutralize free radicals. Now, free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA, a key step in cancer development. Studies have shown that compounds in berries can reduce inflammation, which is a major driver of cancer progression. Chronic inflammation can create an environment where abnormal cells multiply rapidly. Laboratory studies suggest that berries may slow down growth of cancer cells in breast, colon, and esophagus cancers. Some studies even show that compounds in berries can trigger cancer cell death while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Berries are also rich in fiber, which supports gut health. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to lower cancer risk, especially in the colon. Fresh or frozen berries are best because they retain most of their antioxidants. Avoid sweetened or processed versions. They can spike blood sugar and reduce the benefits. 5. Green tea. Green tea has been revered for centuries for its health benefits, and modern science confirms it may play a role in cancer prevention. Its key weapon is a powerful antioxidant called EGCG. epigallocatechin and 3-gallate. Now it works by slowing tumor growth. EGCG can interfere with the pathways cancer cells use to multiply, inhibiting cancer cell proliferation. It may prevent cancer cells from spreading and dividing uncontrollably, reducing metastasis potential. Some studies suggest that EGCG can block the mechanisms that allow cancer cells to move to other parts of the body. Additional benefits include supporting heart health, improving brain function, and boosting metabolism, making green tea a true multitasker. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily for the most protective effects. Avoid adding too much sugar or sweeteners as they can counteract the benefits. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice often used in curries, contains curcumin, a compound that's like a natural cancer-fighting superhero. Curcumin is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and supports cellular health. Cancer-fighting benefits: stopping cancer cell growth. Curcumin can block molecular pathways that cancer cells use to survive and multiply, preventing cancer spread. Research shows it may reduce angiogenesis, the process by which tumors create new blood vessels to feed themselves, supporting healthy cell signaling. Curcumin can help repair damaged DNA and support normal cell function. Pair turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. You can also use it in smoothies, teas, or golden milk. 7. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy greens are more than just salad filler. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds. One of the most powerful is chlorophyll, which can help block harmful substances from being absorbed and protect DNA from damage. Key benefits: vitamin A, C, and K. These vitamins boost the immune system, neutralize free radicals, and support overall cell health. Folate, vitamin B9. Folate is crucial for DNA repair. Low folate levels can increase the risk of mutations that lead to cancer. Fiber. Leafy greens support healthy digestive system and may lower the risk of colon cancer. Phytochemicals. Compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, giving your body extra protection against abnormal cell growth. Lightly steam or saute greens to maximize nutrient absorption and mix different types to get a variety of protective compounds. 8. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are more than just a tasty addition to meals. They are immune-boosting powerhouses. Certain varieties like shiitake, maitake, and reishi contain beta-glucans, which are natural compounds that can help your body detect and fight abnormal cells. Research highlights: immune stimulation. Beta-glucans activate white blood cells, helping your immune system identify and destroy potentially harmful cells. Tumor growth inhibition. Lab studies suggest that compounds in these mushrooms can slow the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and colon cancers. Natural defense support. Mushrooms enhance your body's overall resilience, helping reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors linked to cancer-causing development. Add a variety of mushrooms to soups, stir-fries, or teas. Reishi is often used in powdered form for teas or supplements for immune support. Cooking mushrooms lightly preserves most of their beneficial compounds. 9. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons. Citrus fruits are nature's bright little warriors against cancer. They are packed with vitamin C, flavonoids, and limonoids, all of which play roles in protecting your cells and keeping your DNA healthy. Science shows cell protection. Vitamin C and flavonoids neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and trigger cancer. Inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to cancer. Citrus compounds help calm this inflammation, reducing risk factors. DNA repair support. Citrus nutrients may aid your cells in repairing DNA damage, a key step in preventing cancerous mutations. For maximum benefit, eat citrus whole. Juicing removes much of their fiber and can spike sugar intake, reducing the overall protective effect. Mix slices into salads or enjoy as a fresh snack. 10. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, Brazil nuts. Nuts are tiny packages of nutritional powerhouse. They are loaded with healthy fats, protein, antioxidants, and minerals like selenium, all of which contribute to cancer prevention. Research highlights: walnuts contain polyphenols and omega-3 fats that may slow breast cancer growth and reduce tumor progression in lab studies. Brazil nuts, extremely high in selenium, a trace mineral linked to lower cancer risk, particularly in prostate. Selenium helps protect DNA from damage and supports immune function. Almonds and mixed nuts provide vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties that help defend cells from oxidative stress, one of the triggers of cancer. Eat a small handful daily. Nuts are calorie dense, so moderation is key. Combine them with fruits or yogurt for a nutrient-rich snack. Cancer is complex and no single food can guarantee protection, but your daily choices can shift balance in your favor. By including these cancer-fighting foods in your diet, you're giving your body tools to protect cells from damage, reduce chronic inflammation, support immune defense, enhance natural detoxification process. Remember, the most powerful strategy is balance. Pair these foods with regular exercise, ensure adequate sleep, manage stress, and avoid processed foods, sugar overload, and smoking. Every bite is an opportunity. Start adding these foods today and let nature's own weapon work silently to protect you from within. Your body is capable of amazing defense. Give it the fuel it deserves.